Oh, what did I trip over? It's an axe head. Let's go restore it. Let's go. Welcome to this episode of the Hangdown Adventure YouTube channel. Today, we're restoring an axe. Or a hatchet. Not sure yet. So, today, we're restoring this hatchet head. Now, there's not much wrong with it. It's just dirty. And it was blue. The edge is not sharp. But I think it'll look good once we're done. So let's clean it up first. So I got a bucket of water. We're just gonna dunk it in it and take our brush and scrub it. Oh my goodness. This is cool looking. So, we got it all cleaned. But now, we got another task. The wedges and the remainder of the handle still in there. So we gotta remove it. So I guess what I'm gonna do is, because it's still wedged in there, I just tried it, ain't coming out. I'm gonna have to drill it out. And the problem is, there's two metal step wedges in there. So I gotta drill around nuts. So we drilled through it. So now I gotta do that a bunch more times. Bring y'all back in a minute. No. Just nicked my toe. Let's just see if we can kind of knock it out. Oh, well, that was easier. Okay, we got it. Got the thing cleaned up. All clean. Now we can sand out the inside. Here. Okay. Gotta. Got it. Now we're going to put the handle on and start sharpening it. Okay. So, we've ran into a little snag. We were going to mount the axe head. We ain't got an axe handle. So, maybe if I find an old stick, I might can use it. Well, let's look around here. Okay, so let's look. We got some sticks over here. And that's too small. Oh, look, here's a good stick. Yeah, this one's perfect for this. Okay, let's use this one. Okay, so we got our axe handle for it. Look, this one even came with the tags on it. This is gonna be great. Okay. Lovely stickers. So there we go. There's a nice little axe handle. Let's see. What's this going to take? Well, that ain't going to take very much, is it? So very close. Okay. I'm almost done. Okay. So we've almost got it fit. Let's see. So we're starting to get curls around it, which means it's starting to get really, really tight. But it's only getting tight in the back, but down here, not in the front. Which isn't good. Okay. I'd say this is good. This is about as good as we're going to get. We've just barely got it sticking above. Okay. I'm going to go grab the wedge. We'll wedge it. And then we'll be finished. And we got the head mounted on. Then we'll just sand the handle and sharpen it. And then we'll be done. Probably even make it a sheath. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so we got our axe with the hole opened up. Let me move this bucket out the way. Okay.
He's a big truck.
So now we're ready.
Are you cold?
Put the wedge in. So what I'm gonna do is put a little bit of WD-40, which is just mineral oil, to treat the wedge.
Where's your remote? Let's go find it.
Which will help lubricate it for it to go in. And then it'll also treat it. So I'm just gonna spray a little bit in the hole. Now I'm gonna put it here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put a block on top of it. That way we won't damage the wedge as it goes in. Oh man. Well, it is what it is. Which is a bummer. That's what it is. It's a real big bummer. But I'll just give it a few more whacks. And then we'll call it good.